Alright, so this is two-player death mode today. I'm going to try something new. I'm going to try to just create a infinite loot obby and see how we can do it, maybe in one session. I'm going to try to do it in 1 hour. So here's my prompt. I'm going to create a game where a player runs down a hallway infinitely with obstacles. I'm going to let that run while I explain it to you. So after the player passes the obstacle, it'll reconfigure itself and be ready for the next loop, where the player is going to run through it and then have a portal at the end or something like that, where they're going to just loop through. So let's see what Claude is going to be doing. Alright, it's being nice and friendly as usual. Alright, it's going to create some obstacles. Great. Let's just build it. Alright, let's go through. Looks like it's building a wall now. Let's go over to the studio. Let's take a look. Oh, it's got some walls. Interesting. Oh. Alright, they made a blue wall, and a red wall, and then a black top. Oh, it's making some obstacles. Interesting. Nice. Oh, now it's adding some glowing effects. Alright, let's see what else it's going to add. Still running some code. Looks like it added some more objects into the game. Oops, adding more stuff. Oh, now it's some stuff are starting to smoke. That's interesting. Oh, added more. I don't know what these balls are. Alright, looks like it created some code, some storage. Oh, here's some names over here. Let's see, they got effects, hallways. We got some fire obstacles, moving walls, pitfalls, sand traps, water hazards. Great. It is claiming the game is ready to play on the console. So I think we're at the end of our coding here. So according to Claude, the game will have an infinite looping hallway, 200 stud hallway. That's about right, I think. 10 different obstacles with smart reconfiguration, moving walls side from side, pitfalls, deadly holes, change position each loop, water hazards, slowing pools of different sizes, fire obstacles, damaging flames with varying heights, sand traps, speed reducing sandy areas, ice patch slippery surface that makes you slide, sharp spikes, deadly pointed obstacles. Swinging hammers, timed moving obstacles placeholder. So I'm guessing it doesn't have swing hammers implemented. Laser barriers. Energy walls that turn on and off. Okay. Wind tunnels. Oh, here it is. It pushes you off the course. Alright, cool. Scoring. Points for time survival. Obstacles avoided. Apparently in the currency shop you can buy extra lives. Smart reconfiguration. Basically, as they loop through, they'll keep going through it over and over. It's my original concept. Effect system, different obstacles have different unique effects. Start with 3 extra lives. Buy more in the shop. Alright, so how do we play? So you click in the Play Studio, run through, avoid obstacles, reach the yellow loop zone at the end, reset reconfigure obstacles, visit the shop. Okay. And player teleports back to the start. All obstacles randomly reconfigured. New positions, sizes, states. Okay, cool. Now let's make sure the code's there before I even try to run. Nope, still nothing there, so I guess I did a copy and paste the code in there. I'm going to do that first. Yep, we still got issues here. Let's see what it's complaining about. So it's complaining about the handle obstacle touch. Yeah, set up obstacle detection. Alright, so let's tell Claude about these errors first. Okay, it's saying it's fixed it. That's a little interesting. I don't see anything. Simplify game controller. Okay, so I'm guessing it put everything in one code. So let's try that. I don't know if that's going to be any better. Alright, no errors. 400 lines of code. That's a lot less code. Now I'm getting a little worried on where everything went. Alright, let's test it out. Alright, got my person here facing the wrong direction. We can fix that ourselves. Oh, what just happened? What? Whoa. I don't know what's going on. That must be the wind obstacle. So nothing, no pitfall so far. I can make it to the end. Holy. Oh, what? That is not supposed to happen. And I'm back again. Holy, whoa. Apparently the obstacle is just to even just survive. So it's teleporting me all over the place. Okay. Let's see if I can jump my way through this. There's some fires. I didn't die from that. Alright. Oh no. Can I save myself? Oh, I think I did. With a super launch. Let's avoid a wind tunnel. Sneak by here. Come back into the game. I'm going to try walking on the right side. Not the most complicated. Maybe I should go this way. What? Oh no. Being launched again. Oh, died. All the walls are not moving. Except me. I am the one that's moving. I can kind of see the pitfalls. They're kind of glitching out. What happens when I touch the laser? Oh, nothing happens when I touch the laser. Okay, sand traps. Let's see what the sand traps do. Nothing so far. I think this is the wind tunnel thing that I can't... Oh, whoa. Okay, now I'm back to the beginning of the game. With a wind tunnel effect again. Alright. Wow. Alright, so let's get rid of the... So things I didn't like about it was the wind tunnel.